I'm Linnea Olson, and I have lung cancer. I've entered kind of a brand new phase in my life where I'm focused on creative pursuits. The self-portrait in my studio, it represents the time right after I was diagnosed. I'm frail, I have no more hair. There's something about that time and that image that also makes me feel really strong. I was diagnosed with lung cancer 10 years ago. It felt a lot like I was in an airplane that was going down. Just this feeling of panic rushing in my ears. My first treatment was a lower left lobectomy. That surgery was followed by 4 rounds of very difficult chemotherapies. Despite the chemotherapy, my cancer had returned. But I was more determined than ever that I was going to fight this. I now had several options. I could do nothing, stay on the oral therapy I was taking. I could return to traditional chemotherapy, or I could enroll in a phase 1 clinical trial. I leapt at the chance, thinking that this might offer a sliver of hope. I inherited Dr. Shaw. My first hour that I spent with her, I fell head over heels for this woman who would come to play such an important role in my life. I feel absolutely great. Lots of energy.
Good. Your breathing is about the same.
Yep.
Linnea Duff is a long-term patient of mine. When I met her, she was newly diagnosed at that time with this particular type of lung cancer that has a genetic alteration in a gene called ALK or ALK. At that time, we didn't know that much about ALK or the targeted therapy for ALK, and Linnea was one of our first patients that we enrolled. So it has been an amazing journey for Linnea because I think she's really benefited from the research we've done with support from the V Foundation.
Well, the V Foundation's been a huge supporter of research that we've done here and of research that I've done personally. So the first award I ever received was a V-Scholar Research Award. When I started my own laboratory, in collaboration with Alice Shaw, we developed a translational research grant that was about ALK-positive lung cancers. I think we've made quite a few advances that are helping patients who have this subset of lung cancer.
In just the last 5 years, we've seen incredible progress, and I think that's only going to continue, and our hope is it will even accelerate, especially with support from foundations like the V Foundation. And I think more and more what we're seeing is that patients can live with advanced cancer.
I can live with my cancer, but I can only live with my cancer as long as there are treatment options. I'm alive because of clinical trials. It is so important to me that people donate monies to cancer research. There are so many other people out there just like myself who rely on medical research. And it means so much to us and to our families. Thank you.